Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the Scout General Portable Balance, product code IC-SPX-621. The Scout General Portable Balance series features slim, stackable designs with large backlit LCD screens. This particular model, the IC-SPX-621, is ideal for laboratory and industrial applications. It features a capacity of 620 grams, readability of 0.1 grams, and a stabilization time of 1 second. The multiple connectivity options will add further versatility to your data collection. In the box there's some paperwork including a warranty card and a comprehensive user manual, the pan base, stainless steel cover, power adapter, a span calibration weight. This is included with Scout models up to 620 grams capacity, and the balance. The balance has a transportation lock, a large multi-level LCD screen, 4 multifunction buttons. These are power 0 yes, print units no, function mode back, and tear menu exit. A backlit bubble level. On the back is the interface connection and an AC adapter input jack. On the base there are 4 adjustable legs, a security switch, a way below hole, the battery compartment, and on the underside of the compartment lid is the way below hook. To set up, either plug in the AC power adapter or install 4 AA batteries. Unlock the transportation lock by switching it to the unlock symbol. Install the pan onto the sub-platform and twist to lock. The stainless steel pan simply sits over this. Then press the power button to turn on. When the balance is first installed and when it's moved to another location, it must be levelled and calibrated to ensure accurate weighing results. You can balance it by twisting the legs, and you can perform this by using the included calibration weight. For more information on how to perform this, see the link in the video description. And that's what comes in the box with the Scout General Portable Balance, product code IC-SPX-621. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.